Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. Features also include alloy wheels, iPod adapter, MP3, rear view camera, satellite radio. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2023 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, convertible soft top, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, remote trunk release. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.